Unraveling, in a course, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, specifically, in a course. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with nuances that can significantly change its meaning depending on the context. So, let's explore this phrase together and expand your English mastery. Firstly, let's understand the fundamental meaning of "in a course." This phrase generally indicates involvement or participation in a structured series of classes or lessons. These could be in an academic setting, like a university, or in a more informal environment, like a community workshop. Example: she enrolled in a course on digital marketing. In a course isn't just limited to educational contexts. It can also be used metaphorically or in more abstract scenarios. Educational context. When used in education, it signifies being part of a specific program or curriculum. Example: he's doing well in a course in biology. Professional development. The phrase can also apply to professional or skill development settings. Example: they offer employees training in a course on leadership skills. Metaphorical use. Sometimes, "in a course," is used metaphorically to indicate being part of an ongoing process or journey. Example: we are all in a course of self-discovery. There are some common areas of confusion regarding "in a course." Let's clarify these. In a course versus on a course. In a course implies participation within the structure of the course. On a course can sometimes be used interchangeably, but it often has a more informal tone or implies a shorter duration. Duration and commitment. The phrase doesn't specify the length or commitment level of the course, which can vary greatly. Example: I'm currently in a course on Italian cooking. It's just a 5-week casual class. We hope this exploration of "in a course" has been enlightening and useful in your journey to master the English language. Remember, context is key in understanding and using this phrase effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using "in a course" like a native speaker. Until our next language adventure, happy learning!